I just got out of the shower. I had my hair pulled back, my skincare and everything done. I've been seeing this Falscara all over TikTok, and I've been wanting to try it. It's like individual lashes instead of getting them done like professionally. Apparently they're supposed to last up to like a week or two. I saw somebody yesterday, a photographer I follow, post on how she tried it as well, and I just decided to take the leap. I was at Target yesterday and grab it, so I'm gonna try it real quick and see how well or well not this goes. Okay, I've come to the conclusion that I have no idea what I'm doing. So hopefully this doesn't turn out too awful. I've done the strips before plenty of times when going out with the girls, but never individual lashes, so I hope this isn't a complete disaster, because I've heard great things about this and I'm really looking forward to it hopefully working for me. Alright, I'm in front of my little ring light. I have the right side done. It was a little more complicated than I thought it was going to be, but you can tell there is a difference. I do like it. I think I just need some practice. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll give you an update how it is throughout the day and how long it might last for me. From what I've read for the reviews, it falls off or starts to fall off a lot for people when they sleep. So we're going to try it out. I can't justify right now spending that much money on getting like eyelash extensions every few weeks. So if I can make this work for me, that would be great. Alright, this is where we've got to now. Definitely a learning curve. You have to be careful with like the bond, because your top lashes will get stuck to your bottom lashes. And just how your placement is, it's easy, so when you start blinking for it to poke your eye, so you have to make sure it's placed on there really securely. So far I like them. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and go throughout my day to see if they last at all or if they're irritating. Good morning. So I just woke up and my lashes are still on, surprisingly. I know this didn't look like, even yesterday I'm pregnant, so my hormones, I did cry, so it did pass the cry test. It's now been 24 hours since I've had them on. I already took the inside ones out just because they were really bothering me. And when I look at the mirror right now, like the end ones, if I were to like pull them, they would easily come off, but they haven't just fallen off by themselves yet, so I guess that's kind of good. But I would definitely, if I wanted to keep wearing these, I would definitely have to take that off and reapply it again. Even though I did add the overnighter, I mean, I guess it did work overnight, but as for multiple days in a row, not really that practical for me. Maybe it will become that after I learn. This is just my first time trying, so it was not perfect to begin with, the application and everything, but so far not too bad. I'm gonna keep trying it, see if it gets better.